Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone.